Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get good at Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2. First, let's master the basics. Familiarize yourself with the core controls for ollies, grinds, and manuals. These are your building blocks. Practice landing tricks perfectly to keep your combo going, as this significantly boosts your score. Don't forget the revert. It's crucial for linking air tricks into ground combos, allowing for much longer and higher scoring sequences. Smooth transitions are key to flow. Once you have the basics down, it's time to elevate your game with advanced combos. String together manuals, grinds, and air tricks seamlessly to create impressive, high-scoring lines. Incorporate special tricks, which are activated by specific button combinations, for huge score multipliers. The revert manual is a game changer, allowing you to continue a combo after a revert. Perfecting the timing for grinds and lip tricks will ensure you maximize every opportunity for points. To truly excel, you must thoroughly explore each level. Spend time learning the layout, discovering hidden areas, and identifying potential combo routes. Focus on completing objectives such as collecting the SKATE letters and finding the secret tape, as these unlock new content. Understanding the level's flow will help you plan your lines for maximum points. There are often many gaps to discover, each offering bonus points and extending your runs. Consistent practice is the ultimate path to mastery. Dedicate regular sessions to refining specific tricks, perfecting your combo lines, and tackling challenging objectives. Watching replays of your runs can provide valuable insights, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Set personal score goals and strive to beat them. Don't forget to experiment with the diverse roster of skaters, as each has unique stats and special tricks that can significantly alter your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.